the trade and investment in this region, and also the physical integration of our peoples, but more importantly, maintain peace and stability as a prerequisite for business, trade, and free movement of our people. I would like to, at this juncture, request very briefly, the Member of Parliament for this area for 1 minute to greet us and welcome us, after which the Governor of Mandera County will also greet us and welcome us in 2 minutes, and then we shall continue with the rest of the program. Welcome, and God bless Kenya, Ethiopia, and Somalia. God bless the United Kingdom. Welcome. MP.
Ladies and gentlemen, I first and foremost welcome our Deputy President, Honorable Rigathi Gachagua, our CS, our BSS, our regional commissioners and the regional leaders from Somalia, Ethiopia, and Jubaland, and all delegates that are here, drawn from the 3 countries. First and foremost, I'm sure this is the first time the Deputy President visited Mandera. Mandera is a very peaceful area. As you have seen, it brings together 3 countries, but very poor infrastructure. We hope now that you came and have seen this area with your own naked eyes, I think you will at least plan something for Mandera. Mandera has few problems. I will make use of this opportunity